God, I'm not okay, but I'm here. Even broken, I'm here. So carry me through this moment until I can stand again. I've been hiding tears behind a smile, trying to look strong while I'm breaking inside. Life keeps hitting wave after wave, and I'm drowning, Lord, I need you to say I'm in, Lord. But I'm not overwhelmed. Feels like the storm won't ever end. So if you hear me when I call your name,